you ever wondered how a simple piece of paper can unlock a world of freedom, adventure, and endless road trips? Well, today, we're about to unravel the secret formula to turn that thought into reality. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the art of acing your driving test. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today, we're not talking about horsepower, torque, or turbochargers. No, today, we're delving into something that makes even the most seasoned drivers break into a cold sweat. The dreaded driver's examination. You know, that nerve-wracking moment when you step into a car hoping to transform your nervousness into a shiny new driver's license. In this video, we're not just dishing out ordinary tips. We're unleashing a treasure trove of driving test wisdom that will make you the Indiana Jones of the open road. So, whether you're a newbie gearing up for your first test or a seasoned driver looking for a refresher, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a journey that will change the way you approach that crucial test. Stay tuned, because your driver's license is just around the corner. Choosing the right vehicle. Unlocking your comfort zone. Close your eyes and picture this. You're sitting in the driver's seat, your heart pounding like a bass drum at a rock concert. The steering wheel feels foreign, and the gear shifter might as well be a Rubik's Cube. It's your driving test day, and the pressure is on. But hold on a second. There's a secret weapon in your arsenal: the right vehicle. You see, one of the keys to a successful driving test is familiarity. The more comfortable you are with the vehicle, the more confidently you can navigate the challenges of the test. If you've spent hours practicing in your mom's minivan, taking the test in a similar vehicle is a no-brainer. But here's a pro tip. If you have the option, consider taking the test in an automatic vehicle. Why, you ask? Well, because it simplifies things. No need to worry about gear changes. Just focus on the road and your maneuvers. Remember, the driving test is all about showing you're a safe and competent driver, not an aspiring stunt driver. Now, regardless of the vehicle you choose, understanding its controls is crucial. You should know how to turn the headlights on and off, operate the windshield wipers, and use your signals effectively. It's not just about impressing the examiner. It's about ensuring you can handle any situation that may arise on the road. So, before you even step into that car for the test, take some time to get to know its ins and outs. Confidence in your control is your ticket to success. Mirror adjustment. Reflecting on safety. Mirrors on the car. Make sure they're set right, near and far. Before you even start the engine, take a moment to ensure your mirrors are your trusty sidekicks. Adjust them to perfection. But remember, don't fiddle with them during the test. These mirrors are your eyes on the back of your head, ensuring you're aware of everything around you. Proper mirror adjustment is not just about safety, although that's the paramount. It's also about awareness. When you show the examiner that you've set your mirrors correctly before even moving the car, you're demonstrating your commitment to road safety. You're saying, "I'm vigilant and I've got a 360-degree view of my surroundings." That's the kind of message you want to send. Seatbelt usage. The first act of responsibility. Seatbelts, that click you hear as soon as you fasten them, are more than just a sound. It's the first act of responsibility. It might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people forget to buckle up the moment they enter the car. Remember, it's not just about safety. It's about showing the examiners that you take this responsibility seriously. Imagine this. You hop into the car, and before the examiner even says a word, you've already fastened your seatbelt. What does that communicate? It says you prioritize safety, you're responsible, and you're ready for the road. It's a small action with a big impact. Obeying road signs. The language of the road. Road signs are like cryptic messages from highway deities. But fret not, understanding them is your golden ticket. Pay close attention, especially to speed limits. Trust us, they're not just suggestions. Every road sign you obey isn't just a signpost. It's a statement that says, I'm a responsible driver, ready for anything. Think about it this way. You're not just following signs. You're communicating with the road. When you obey a stop sign, you're saying, I acknowledge the rules, and I respect the safety of others. It's like speaking a language that every driver understands. Alright, my fellow road warriors, here's a little pit stop for you. Which of these tips are you most confident about acing in your driving test? Is it nailing the mirror adjustment like a pro? Or perhaps you've got the art of obeying road signs down to a science? Share your driving superpower in the comments below, and let's keep this journey rolling. Intersections and right turns, the dance of courtesy. Intersections can be a minefield, especially when you see that dreaded no right turn on red sign. Remember, patience is your best friend here. Follow the first come, first served rule, and you'll dance through intersections like a pro. Picture this. You approach an intersection, and there's a sign that says no right turn on red. You patiently wait for the green light, even though you could technically turn right. What does that tell the examiner? It says you're respectful of traffic rules, you're courteous to other drivers, and you prioritize safety over impatience. Lane discipline. Staying in your lane. Lane discipline isn't just about keeping within the lines. It's about knowing when to switch lanes and how to do it safely. Think of your turn signal as your dance partner. Communicate your moves. Check your blind spots with a graceful shoulder glance, and change lanes smoothly. Consider this scenario. You smoothly change lanes, using your turn signal and checking your blind spot. What message does that send? It says you're in control, aware of your surroundings, and considerate of others on the road. It's like waltzing through traffic with finesse. Horn usage. Speak the language of the road. Horns aren't just for impatient drivers in traffic jams. They're your voice on the road. Use them wisely, sparingly, and only when necessary. A courteous toot can say, hey, I'm here. But remember, incessant honking is like shouting in a library. Think of your horn as a tool for communication, not a weapon of frustration. When you use it appropriately, you're saying, I'm aware of my surroundings, and I'm alerting you for safety. It's like having a civil conversation amidst the chaos of the road. Maintaining constant speed, the rhythm of the road. Last but not least, speed. No, not the drugstore kind. We're talking about maintaining a constant speed. Pay attention to those speed signs. And remember that school zones and play areas might demand a slower tempo. Your examiner will be impressed by your speed-savvy skills. Imagine this. You effortlessly maintain a constant speed, perfectly in line with the posted limit. It's like dancing to the rhythm of the road, following the beat of safety and responsibility. It shows you're not just a driver. You're a conductor of order in the asphalt symphony. So there you have it, folks. These are the gems of wisdom that will not only help you pass your driving test, but also make you a responsible and confident driver on the open road. Remember, it's not just about earning your license. It's about embracing the road with the wisdom to navigate it safely. Good luck out there. And there you have it, our roadmap to driving test success. Remember, it's not just about passing the test. It's about becoming a responsible and confident driver. But hey, our journey doesn't end here. If you found these tips helpful and want more insider knowledge on all things automotive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Join our ever-growing community of driving enthusiasts here in Car Computer Exchange, and stay in the fast lane to automotive success. Safe travels, and we'll catch you on the flip side of the road.